Hey folks, this is Josh here at Veteran Roof Treatment. We're out here in Midlothian, Virginia doing a cedar shake roof cleaning. As you can see right now, we've let our material dwell on the surface, and the fungus and algae and bacteria that was growing on the cedar shakes and causing a bunch of moisture is now safely being rinsed away with no more than garden hose pressure. As you can see, we're not using any damaging pressure washer. We're not walking on the roof. Simple garden hose pressure will rinse the material off the roof and leave it looking beautiful. This roof was covered with what was called white rot fungus. It's basically a black scabby looking fungus that grows on top of the cedar shakes and makes it look a lot worse than what it actually is. We're the area's only certified cedar shake roof cleaner. So something like that is something that we would be very used to seeing and be able to remove it safely without damaging your roof. We're not using any damaging bear claw shoes to walk around and poke a bunch of holes in your cedar roof. She's looking beautiful. If you'd like to have your cedar shake roof safely cleaned by the area's only certified cedar shake roof cleaner, give us a call at Veteran Roof Treatment at 434-286-2961, or you can check us out at veteranrooftreatment.com. Thanks a lot.